Hi, welcome to the Mr. Dido channel. As we all know, there has been tension in the Middle East region. For this reason we will review one of the countries that is in the headlines today. Due to limitations in their air force such as having fighter jets, Tehran then developed their missile capabilities. As a result, the Pentagon explained that Iran has missiles that can reach a distance of up to 2,000 kilometers, even surpassing other countries in the Middle East. Here are some examples that show that Iran's missiles are reliable and capable. Thank you for watching the Mr. Dido Military News channel.